here today. Good to see you both. Now, the March guide is here, your booklet, and kind of gone upscale here, you know, full color now.
We're big time now.
You're big time now. So tell me some of the things that are going on today, or not today, but coming up in the next few weeks. You always have a lot of great stuff. Of course, I was looking ahead for St. Patrick's Day and your corned beef sandwich. I might come over there.
Come up and you're always welcome.
All right.
Well, you have to wear green.
I have to wear green.
You have to wear
Okay.
green.
All
Green
right.
bow tie.
Well, welcome to both of you today.
Thank you.
Who's going to start?
I'll start.
All right.
Okay.
You're talking about healthier living.
Of course, of course. We have a new 6-week program again, starting Living Healthier with Diabetes. So if you have diabetes and you want to have a healthier lifestyle, that starts on March 7th. It's a 6-week series,
Okay.
once a week. And it's a sign-up sheet, and it's run by the Office on Aging. So, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, so they're going to have it. It's free, and it's a really great way of peer interaction and strategizing.
Now, since this is every week, or do people need to come in every week? Is it different, or just come in once?
Yeah,
or?
it builds on each
Okay.
week, so
All right.
it's best to start week 1 and go through.
All right, and when does that start again?
March 7th.
All right, so people have
That's
about a week.
next
Yeah.
week. Oh, my God.
Yes.
I mean, March starts on Friday. That's kind of
it
scary.
does. Yeah, I know. And if you want to do this again, you got to sign up for it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because these things just fill up very, very quick, and you got great different seminars and things going on. I want people to take advantage of them. Get your booklet.
Thank
so,
you.
thinking of the next move.
So Patty Alexander has
Patty.
Yes.
Yes.
She has personalized senior placement. We've had some requests from seniors in the community that come is either thinking about moving on, or you know, what do I do now because I'm tired of cooking, or this is just becoming too much. I have to give up driving.
Right.
Should I be making the next move, or should I be staying home? So, you know, she's going to be doing a presentation on March 12th, which is a Tuesday at 1 o'clock. And she's very, very good about letting you know about different communities in the local neighborhood and outside of Orange County too, if that's what you're interested in.
I think that'd be a really good one to go to. And I've met a lot of people, even our neighbor who, she lives up near us, across the street. Now she lives in not an assisting, independent living place, just because she had a little problem, but she kind of likes it and she kind of doesn't. There's advantages and disadvantages.
Yes.
It's like, I don't have to cook, but you know what? There's sometimes I wish I could.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
it's
So,
a trade-off.
you know, she's going to be speaking about steps in making choices and making it happen. What do
Okay.
you need to put in place?
Okay, very
Because,
good.
you know, you just can't do it just like that.
No,
It takes planning.
It does.
And also on March 19th, we're doing a seminar on diseases of the aging eye. Ken, as we get older,
Yes.
our eyes start failing us.
Yes.
And it could be, you know, we start with the readers, the reading glasses.
That's what I have here,
Which I
yes.
have
Each one-
situated all over the house.
Yeah, so do I, and every year they get stronger.
Stronger and
I could
stronger.
probably move on to regular glasses because I'll sit at home, and now even when I'm watching TV, it used to be I would put on these and the TV would be too strong with these. So now, like watching something in the morning, they're like the weather or something that has a little writing on it. Well, I got to put these on now. And, yes.
Welcome to the club.
Shirley needed to use my glasses last week, and she put them on. She goes, "Whoa, whoa!"
But
So-
it's inevitable.
yes,
Yeah.
and you know, there's things like cataracts. That's very common. Dry eye. What to do about it? So that's going to be Dr. Kenny. Christina Kenny.
Okay.
She's a professor at UCI.
Oh, very good.
She's going to be doing this through the Discovery Eye Foundation.
Very good.
So that's great.
All right, and I know you have some stuff, Shirley.
I
that
do
you
have some
to
stuff,
talk
and
about.
I do want to mention to everybody that everything Cheryl's talking about and I talk about is in our newsletter every month. So please stop by the senior center and
There
pick
you
up
go.
our
And look,
newsletter.
I love the photo. There's you as a girl.
That's me,
Yeah,
you
there
know,
you are.
in 1920,
Oh, very
and
good.
or actually 1820. But I look good for my age.
You do. Yes, you do. She's going to get you back for that. You wait and
You're
see.
aging well.
I'm aging quite well.
Yes.
But please pick up our newsletter.
Yeah.
There's a lot of great information in there. You know, lunches, our programs. There's great information about Age Well Senior Services and the Florence Sylvester Senior Center, who was a great.
And you even show movies here. I didn't
We
know.
show movies, absolutely.
Wow. Hey,
Absolutely.
wait, we're showing some of these movies here too. Are we just passing them off to you?
Well, you
afterward?
should. That way
Yeah.
I don't have to pay for them.
Okay, all right.
But a couple of the new classes that we have, one is brain yoga.
Very good.
What we do is it's a brand new class, and it's on Fridays at 2:30 to 3:30. And we do some exercises for the brain. So it's an all evolving thing. So it's a really good, popular class.
Yeah.
And then a brand new one starting on Fridays at 2:30 also is Cardio Classic. And that's a cardio class, but it's a lot of dancing involved too
Wow.
in it. So Cheryl and I may have to just get in there and,
Oh, wow.
and join them a little bit. But it's a fat burning, it's low impact,
Yeah.
but it's put on by the Silver Sneakers.
Oh, very
Yeah,
good.
It is, and that's
Great.
a great class.
That'll be a
So-
lot of fun.
So that's a couple new classes. But please stop by and pick up the newsletter. It lets you know everything that's going on at the center. We're always looking for wonderful volunteers to help on our Meals on Wheels
Yeah.
program or to help in the senior center.
You have so many, you know, it's amazing. Here's something I just saw that is coming up on March 19th. It's called the Disabled American Veterans Mobile Service van
Right.
will come by. I mean, just things like that
We have
that you offer.
all different things that
Yeah.
we offer. The van will be there, and people can just stop by and talk to the veterans and,
Yeah.
and get some more information. So we offer a lot in the community, and we're very, very grateful to be in this community.
Mm-hmm.
But as a nonprofit, we would like people's support to help us keep with our programs that we at the senior center. So you can come in and talk to myself or Cheryl, and thank you to the community for what they've done for
Yeah.
Age Well and for the Florence Sylvester.
Yeah, it's
very much
just a
appreciated.
wonderful service, and take advantage of it because I think it's one of those things that once someone goes there for the first time,
Right.
you become in tune what's happening there, and now you go there regularly
Exactly.
and you see all. I mean, every single day, not the weekends, right? Are
Not the weekends.
Are any of the other senior centers open, like the
No,
normal? Okay,
they're not open on the weekends.
so Friday through Saturday, excuse me, Monday through Friday, they are there for you. They got lunches, they have seminars, they have fun, they have great holiday events, and they have these two lovely ladies.
And we love to be taken advantage of.
Yes, yes, they do. Thank you very much.
Thank
I
you,
really
Ken.
appreciate
Appreciate
it.
it.
And again, all these things that go on there, you need to sign up for. Most of them are free. They have all different kinds of things that change throughout the year. They work with other different venues. They have different kind of programs and studies and all this kind of stuff. But call them at 949-380-0155 and pick up their booklet here. It's got a lot of good stuff in there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
All right.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll be right back.